Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Please take this moment now with helping me. Click here, subscribe. Next, click this bell. Next, ensure to click all. This helps you receive a notification when I posted my next videos. Next, click this thumbs up button after every time you watch my video. This pushes it up in the engagement ratings and means it will be suggested to more people, therefore is likely to get more views to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. I also have a Patreon page. Click show more. Scroll down. This link here, my Patreon, click on it. Select the membership. With this membership, you'll get access to all this information. Very good content. Wednesday, July 7th, 0802 a.m. Happy Hump Day, middle of the week. We'll compare the 30 Dow Jones stocks of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So there's 30 stocks in the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and we're looking at those single stocks compared to the index. So on the right, this grid on the right is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, one of the most popular U.S. stock indexes. It has the 30 largest United States publicly traded companies. Each of these companies are worth billions of dollars. So looking here on the index yesterday, we made it inside bar. That means we didn't take out the high or low of the prior week, nor are we at the all-time high. Where we look at the S&P 500, the 500 stocks in this index made an all-time high. Look at the NASDAQ 100, made an all-time high. The Russell 2000 did not. And neither did the Dow Transports, and neither did the Dow Utilities. Now we'll look at those stocks inside the Dow Jones in alphabetical order. Look at this, Apple. It's not at the all-time high. So it's not outperforming itself, nor the Dow Jones. That's not leadership. There's better. Next, AMGN. Look at that, similar inside candle, nor are we at the all-time high. Not leadership. American Express, all-time new high. It's outperforming the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Leadership. Do you own this? Do you own this one? Do you own any financial ones? Boeing. Yep. Small trading range for the week. We're inside the range of last week, nor are we at the high. It's struggling. It's underperforming itself and the index. Caterpillar, also, it's not leadership. It's underperforming. Charlie, Romeo, Mike. Well, didn't make a high for the week. And it's already at the all-time high for the year because the high for the year was there, so it took it out. So we're now all-time high for the year, but we're below the high of last year. That's not leadership. No, it's not leadership. Cisco, here's the high for the year. We're below it, not leadership. So pretty much right now, we're just seeing American Express, the financials, really? Got to do better than that. Charlie, Victor, X-Ray. It's in a consolidation. This is not leadership. Disney, it's struggling. Dow Chemical, yep, it's struggling. Goldman Sachs, it's not leadership. It's not at the high. Home Depot, wow. You think they're going to get a lot of business today or the next few days? There's a hurricane in Florida. All-time high there, and we're there. HON, that's also not leadership. So right now, the takeaway is you could be in stock indexes, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ 100, outperforming these single stocks and outperforming this index. IBM, declining. Intel, struggling. Johnson & Johnson, way off the high. JP Morgan, also struggling. Coca-Cola, that's good. You don't need that sugar. Yep, off the high. McDonald's, huge consolidation. Very interesting. Building calls for breakout one way or the other. 3M, struggling as well too. Merck, oh boy, disappointing. Oh, way off its highs. Microsoft, all-time new high, outstanding. Leadership, strong like bull. Nike, all-time new high, outstanding. Look at this. The past 3 weeks, outstanding. So majority of them are not leadership, but we already identified which ones they are. Hopefully you're in them. Procter & Gamble, disappointing, way below the high of the year. Travelers, disappointing also. Uniform November Hotel, struggling. Visa, all-time new high. Well, look at that. Very disappointing. It's not more broader. It's very few stocks. And they're mostly in what? The high tech and the financial. Verizon. Wow, it's very disappointing. They need to get up their game if they want to improve like the 5G systems. Let's keep Bravo Alpha declining. Not so good. Look at Walmart, way below its high of this year, below its high of last year. It's not leadership. No, not good. So again, the takeaway is you could be better off in the individual stock indexes, such as the S&P 500 or NASDAQ 100, if you were there since the beginning of the year. As well, we mentioned several of these stocks are looking real good here. So overall, underperforming, not so well. But we already see a few that are and gave you opportunities multiple times over the past several months, which one goes to these. If you subscribe to my website, my page, you'll get this information. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of your time with me. Let me know what you thought about this video, and please let me know what you want to see next. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on my PayPal link. You can leave a small tip. If you don't want to share financial support, no problem. Just click the like and subscribe.